Enterprise data environments are increasingly complex. Data is spread across multiple sources with multiple personas accessing it. This has made it increasingly difficult to be able to provide continuous visibility on data access, preventing data breaches, and providing compliance reporting. Accuknox's data protection solution solves for this particular problem by providing unprecedented visibility and policy-based data governance for S3, MySQL, and Postgres databases. The data classification governance model works in the following manner. Once data sources have been onboarded, data is identified and classified as sensitive data, after which users can create sensitive data governance policies. Compliance reporting can then be done on those policies, and classification and reclassification data is done on an ongoing basis for all new data that's coming in. Accuknox automatically identifies sensitive data in the form of sensitive classes, which are known fields with specific attributes, as well as sensitive tags, which are groups of fields that represents certain compliance standards such as CCPA or GDPR. Here's an example of how you configure a data source. In this case, we'll configure a SQL database on a Google Cloud data source. Now you need to provide your key, and once that's done, you need to install the agents on your cloud cluster so that we can access your data and begin classifying the same. As you can see, once data sources are onboarded, we'll show you the mapping that we've done and start to classify the data automatically. If you feel the classification is incorrect, you can always edit the classification and let the system know that this is the right classification for the following fields. Once that is done, you can also review the class inventory, which is automatically classified, edit the same, or create new class inventory to be able to identify and track specific types of data. In this example, we are creating a credit card sensitive class by identifying a particular pattern and putting it into a CCPA and PII bucket. Once that's done, you can view the list of tags, add fields to the same, or create new tags based on your organization's needs. In this demo, we're adding a couple of fields for financial information to be tracked under the tag financial tag. Now, when all of this is done, you can create database policies. In this case, we're going to create a new policy that allows us to audit deletes against a specific data source. You can either track by the sensitive classes that have been identified or data sources directly using the data domain view. Now, once that's done, you can activate the policies, after which it will get enforced on all of your database clusters. Once these policies have been created, you can view audit trail and start creating alerts for the same through a log screen. In this example, we are creating an alert for specific events, classifying it as a high threat level and sending these alerts to Splunk. Now, there are multiple SIM/SOAR solutions available for you to integrate. Now, as a part of the enterprise offering, Accuknox has dozens of different SIM/SOAR integrations, as you saw. We also have an anomaly detection system that can identify anomalous behavior for your database workloads, and all policies generated as code and checked into a Git repository, which means it can lend itself well to your shifting left of security and your GitOps workflow. We also provide data visibility and data access control policies on the data protection system. We also have continuous compliance templates that can be edited for your needs. For more information, check out the data protection system on accuknox.com, as well as our help and our blog sections. Thank you.